So today I am in a mood for some sheet mask. I'm a big fan of Face Shop products, which is a Korean brand. They bring to you variety of sheet masks, each made for different purpose. I prefer going for sheet mask before I go to bed and mostly once a week, or sometimes the night before I have to dress up for a special event. I'm just about to go to bed. Prep my skin by washing my face followed by a toner. Also, start with the clean hands. I have a bunch of sheet masks which I have stocked up mostly during the offers running. I love the face shop masks and also the sheet masks from Innisfree. They are really great. Now the task is to pick the right mask for your skin. Know your purpose and know your skin type before you try anything. For example, my skin falls on the drier side, so I prefer using something moisturizing or something hydrating for my skin. So here you go, I have decided to go with Calendula face mask. Make sure you give it a gentle massage like this to distribute the serum evenly on the sheet, especially if you have stored your mask vertically. Now just gently take out the sheet and unfold it, place it on your face and relax. These sheet masks are also called squeeze masks. Reason being, you need to squeeze the leftover serum or the essence like this and make sure you apply it on your neck, hands, legs, wherever you want to. This is highly rich in goodness, so let's not waste it. Ta-da! Now that I'm done, I want to enjoy the TV show on my phone for a good 15 to 20 minutes. It's about time. I am gently removing the mask and using the remaining essence in the sheet on my hands and legs. Another important note here is to make sure you don't go to sleep with the mask on. That might dehydrate your skin. Not to exaggerate, I really see the skin feel supple and hydrated. I make sure to not wash it till morning, and in the morning I do not use any face cleanser but just cold water to rinse my face. So this is my sheet mask routine. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have, you know what you have to do. Like, subscribe and share. I'll see you again. Till then, bye.